Hello everyone. This video will show you how to create a simple waffle texture knit with a minimalist look, delicate texture, and a well-balanced structure. This pattern alternates volumetric horizontal paths with a stockinette stitch. This is the wrong side of the knitting. The pattern consists of 2 loops and 8 rows, with 6 being a stockinette stitch. To start, cast on an even number of stitches. The first row is on the wrong side. Knit all stitches until the end of the row. The second row is on the right side. Purl all stitches until the end of the row. The third row is on the wrong side. Knit all stitches until the end of the row. The fourth row is on the right side. We start this row with 3 purl rows. We will wrap them with long loops. After the edge loop, knit 1 loop. Pull up a long loop 3 rows down between the stitches. Knit 1. Again, knit 1, pull up a long loop 3 rows down. Knit 1. Knit 1, pull up a long loop 3 rows down. Knit 1. The fifth row is on the wrong side. Purl all stitches until the end of the row. The sixth row is on the right side. After the edge loop, we will work with loops in groups of 3. We must decrease 1 loop by using the wrapping loop technique. We will wrap around the first and third loops with the long middle loop. Slip the first 2 loops as if to knit and knit only the first. The second loop became the first. Knit the third. Pick up the first with the left needle, push the second and third through it and drop it. Again, slip the first 2 loops as if to knit and knit only the first. Knit the third. Pick up the first with the left needle, push the second and third through it and drop it. The 7th row is on the wrong side. Purl all stitches until the end of the row. The 8th row is on the right side. Knit all stitches until the end of the row. This knitting pattern creates a fabric with a unique texture, suitable for all-season garments and accessories made with any yarn. The tight structure of the fabric makes it resistant to loosening. You can use it to make clothes, scarves, capes, and cardigans. I hope you find it useful for your future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.